It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is a mix of adrenaline, adventure, sport utility, and sports car. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, Embrace 2 external memory control, driver and passenger memory seats, Embrace Connect remote engine start smart device, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,